Computers today are incredibly powerful. They can run games, edit videos, and even help create artificial intelligence. But there is another type of computer that could become even more powerful in the future: quantum computers. Some scientists believe quantum computers could solve problems in minutes that normal computers would take thousands of years to solve. But why are quantum computers so fast? Let's understand this in the simplest way possible: how normal computers work. Normal computers use bits. A bit can only be 0 or 1. Everything your computer does is based on these two values. Your CPU processes billions of bits every second. That is how modern computers work. What makes quantum computers different? Quantum computers use something called qubits. A qubit is very different from a normal bit. A normal bit can only be one value at a time, but a qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition, and this is one of the main reasons quantum computers can become extremely fast. Imagine a maze with thousands of paths. A normal computer checks one path at a time, but a quantum computer can check many paths at the same time. Because of this, it can find solutions much faster. Parallel processing power. Quantum computers can process huge numbers of possibilities simultaneously. This gives them massive parallel processing power. For some complex problems, this can be much faster than traditional computers. Another important feature: entanglement. Quantum computers also use something called entanglement. This means qubits can become connected to each other. When one qubit changes, another connected qubit can instantly react. This allows faster and more efficient calculations. What quantum computers can do: quantum computers may help in artificial intelligence, medical research, weather prediction, cybersecurity, space research. They are especially useful for solving very complex calculations. Are quantum computers replacing normal PCs? No. Quantum computers are not meant to replace gaming PCs or normal computers. They are designed for special scientific and mathematical problems. Your normal computer is still better for everyday tasks like gaming, browsing, video editing. Why quantum computers are difficult to build? Quantum computers are extremely sensitive. They require very cold temperatures, advanced technology, stable environments. Even tiny disturbances can create errors. That is why building powerful quantum computers is very difficult. Quick recap: normal computers use bits. Quantum computers use qubits. Qubits can process multiple possibilities at the same time using superposition. This gives quantum computers massive speed advantages for complex tasks. Now you understand why quantum computers are faster. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte and tell me in the comments, do you think quantum computers will change the future?